Tired of that cheap plasticky feel of your Lubitel 166B? I've got the answer. Introducing my laser cut Faux Leatherettes, the ultimate upgrade for your Lubitel 166B, giving it a luxurious touch that you've been hoping and dreaming of. With a wide range of Faux Leatherette options available now, and more on the horizon, your camera is about to get a makeover like never before. With such a diverse array of choices, you're sure to find the perfect faux leatherette that not only enhances your camera's appearance, but also complements your own personal style. It's all about making your Lubitel 166B truly your own. You'll receive 5 pieces, one for the front, the back, each side, and for the top of the camera. But here's the best part, installing this beauty is a breeze. Just grab your favorite fabric glue or rubber cement, let it dry, and voila, your camera is ready for action with less than 5 minutes of actual work. In my testing, the best adhesive for this leatherette was the Fabri-Tech adhesive, as it grabs very quick and is plenty strong. Definitely make sure to take your time during the installation to make it as close to perfect as you can get it. One important note, these leatherettes are custom sized using 3 different Lubitel 166B cameras for reference. Each camera had its own unique dimensions due to Soviet manufacturing techniques from the 80s, so while the transformation is remarkable, it might not be 100% absolutely perfect for every camera and may require small amounts of modification for fitment. Nevertheless, this upgrade is a game changer and well worth trying out. It'll enhance both the look and feel of the camera, and you'll appreciate the difference every time you pick it up, no longer feeling cheap and plasticky. These faux leatherettes are not only about aesthetics, they're also designed for practicality. They're easy to clean, to maintain, and ensure that your camera always looks the best. It's a low maintenance upgrade that keeps your photography gear in top condition, and you can always remove it, preserving the plastics in great condition underneath. Unleash your creativity and elevate your photography with the luxurious touch of our laser-cut faux leatherettes. Your Lubitel 166B is more than just a camera, it's a canvas for your unique style. Don't just capture moments, create memories in style.